The first flushing toilet was invented in 1596 by Sir John Harrington. It was installed in his house at Kelston Hall in England. Crazy facts about history. You didn't know part 51. The first piano was invented in 1700 by Bartolomeo Cristofori. He called it the Gravicembalo col piano e forte, which means harpsichord with soft and loud. The first alarm clock was invented in 1787 by Levi Hutchins. It rang at 4 a.m. every day, no matter what time it was set for. Lydia Fairchild's children were confirmed by DNA tests not to be her own. It turned out she was a chimera carrying two completely different sets of DNA, which saved her from fraud charges.